Pirata Boy, Capelitech. Today visit the UAKO'Sound studio. This Saturday in Tallin, I will present my new collection of ceramic musical instruments in Kelm Culture Center, Vene 33. In this UAKO'Sound in a live concert in the Baltic Big Up. Now we are in the process of glazing, so we'll be ready for the concert. Also, all these pieces will be in exhibition in the Estonian National Library from 6 to 28 of March. Please welcome everybody. Come to join us this great music with this ancient knowledge of ceramic tradition from Andes, Peru.